Whoops.
What is that?
Wait a minute.
Barbecue bacon burger. Barbecue bacon burger.
Barbecue bacon.
Bluey!
Yeah, boy.
Bye, have a great time.
This episode of Bluey is called The Mom, beach!
Beach!
Aw, poor Mom.
Breaking news. Giant bowling ball escaped the prison and heading to the beach.
Huh?
Mole, mole.
Hell yeah!
I believe I can. Here comes a big one!
I actually have a name.
What's 9 plus 10?
Not sure, actually.
You stupid. Easy!
Huh?
Run.
Oh my god.
Is that Mum with the orange hat over there?
What is that?
You can be King Neptune. And you give me legs. 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 Seagulls, can you please move?
Nope.
Well,
Need backup. Roger that. Sector clear.
Yeah, boy.
where are you going, Pitchy?
Actually, that's none of your business.
Okay, see you.
And we say bye-bye. Where's my money?
Beep. Jellyfish!
You serious, leaders? Yes! Wait. Hell no, man. What the?
What the Sigma?
Go backwards.
Huh?
Can't go forward. What am I gonna do?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Mom's footsteps! This episode of Bluey is called
What the dog doing?
Not sure, actually.
You stupid.
Listen to this!
Hey guys, subscribe in 3.
3, 2, 1.
Thanks.
Left, right, go.
Huh?
Guys? Is this Freddy Fazbear?
No, I am your new mom.
What the Sigma?
You missed a spot, Bluey.
Do I have to get every bit?
If you're gonna do something... And baby goes in here.
Get in it, Bingo. Okay.
What? Hey! Hang on, you're not a baby. Oh, ow!
Fight.
I know what we can play.
Oh no! Don't say it.
This episode of Bluey is called Dad.
Baba Bowie.
Oh, slow down, Bluey. It's hard to run. Is she still following us? Saying us? Whoops.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This isn't gonna end well.
I better clean that up. Cheese and crackers. You're heavy, Bingo.
Bruh.
Bluey, can you clean this up for me, mate?
Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm gonna sit down. Sorry. Oop. Sorry.
Oh, good. Well, soon you'll start feeling the baby kicking.
Oh no, I'm sure that's not for a little while. Ow!
Oh, you never forget that first kick.
You said if you're going to do something, do it properly.
That advice doesn't apply to me.
Hello.
Huh?
I'm coming out.
Well, who's gonna deliver my baby?
Sticking out your gap where there is love. You're so spirited. You're so phantom tag.
Well, how hard can this be?
Wait a minute.
What is that? I'll just gravel it.
Just get this thing out of me.
Give me a go. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Whoops. Okay. Bored. Happy.
Let's get a look at you. I'm gonna call you
Amogus.